Welcome back. Video notes on domain and range of relations and functions. Here I'm introducing the vertical line test, which is a way we can check to see visually and quickly if a function or if a relation is a function. Every x value can only map to one y value. In this first example, it is a function because no matter where I draw a vertical line, it only hits at one point. Therefore, every x value only has one y value, so yes, it is a function. In this example here, if I draw a vertical line here, I hit two y values, which means that this x value has two y values, which is why it's not a function. So the vertical line test is a quick way to visually check if a relation is a function. So now let's go to example 2. State the domain and range for each relation. Determine if the relation is a function. So in example A, you see my relation is a set of points. In example B, my relation is an infinite amount of points throughout this line. So in this part A for the domain, I'm going to list all of the possible x values for each point. So this one is -4. This one is -3. This one is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and then finally 3. So those are all of the possible x values for each of those points. My y values, starting from the bottom up, this y value is -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So my range are all of the possible y values. So now, is it a function? Vertical line test, it only hits one point. Yes, it is a function. Now for part B, since my function is a continuous function, I need to write my domain and range in interval notation, which shows the total interval of possible x and y values. So if this line keeps on going forever and ever, my lowest x value is going to be -infinity. If it keeps on going up forever and ever, my biggest x value is also going to be a +infinity. Now, whenever we cannot equal a number in interval notation, we put parentheses, and we can never equal infinity. My range is also going down -infinity, but I can never equal it, so I have a parenthesis up to +infinity, which also I cannot equal, which is why I put parentheses.